Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My YouTube subscriber, you people so amazing. May God bless you all. My viewer, may God bless you. My brothers and sisters, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In case you are watching my video, you like my video, please press the red button and turn the notification bell so that anytime I upload my video, you'll be the first person to notify it. And drop your comment below, share and like and give me thumbs up. So let's go there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I used to make my pancake. Please stay and watch to the end. This very one is pancake flour. I use honey for my pancake. This is honey, butter, bread powder. Here is egg. This one is milk. Butter. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe. I see you for my next video again. Remain blessed. Bye.